Bingo Cash and Rewarded Play use completely different earning models. Bingo Cash offers paid bingo tournaments with cash prizes, while Rewarded Play gives points for playing games and redeeming rewards. So the app that pays more depends on whether you're comparing prize potential or predictable rewards. By the end, you'll know how each app actually pays, what you have to do to earn, and which one makes more sense if your goal is getting the most value from your time. Start with Bingo Cash. Bingo Cash is a real money bingo game where eligible players can enter cash tournaments and compete against other players. Your winnings depend on tournament performance, so there isn't a guaranteed hourly rate. The app also requires identity verification for cash withdrawals. Bingo Cash says you may need a government-issued photo ID and a selfie before you can withdraw your winnings. That matters because the amount you can earn depends on three things: the tournament you enter, the entry cost, and your performance. Rewarded Play works differently. Instead of entering paid cash tournaments, you earn points by playing participating mobile games and completing qualifying activities. Those points can then be exchanged for available rewards. Rewarded Play is therefore much easier to understand if you don't want to risk money on a tournament. But there's a trade-off. Rewarded Play doesn't give you a fixed hourly wage. Your earning rate depends on the games available, the offers attached to them, and the current reward structure inside the app. Bingo Cash has higher upside because cash tournaments can award larger individual prizes than a standard rewards redemption. But that upside comes with competition and the possibility of losing an entry fee. Rewarded Play has lower financial risk because its basic model is based on earning points rather than paying to enter a cash competition. There's another important difference: payout requirements. Bingo Cash requires identity verification before cash withdrawals, when verification is requested. Rewarded Play uses its own reward redemption system, so you need to check which reward options are currently available to your account. So which pays more? If you mean potential prize money from a single game, Bingo Cash has the stronger upside because you're competing directly for cash prizes. If you mean earning rewards without risking your own money, Rewarded Play is the safer choice because you can earn through qualifying gameplay instead of paid tournament entries. Neither app guarantees a specific amount per hour. Don't trust any review that promises a fixed daily income unless the app itself publishes that figure. Before choosing, check the current Bingo Cash tournament entry and prize amounts, then compare those with the current Rewarded Play offers available on your device. The simple verdict is Bingo Cash for higher prize potential, Rewarded Play for lower risk rewards. Choose based on whether you want competitive cash prizes or straightforward points. Like the video and subscribe for more real money app comparisons.